Good evening, and today's topic is exchange of gases at alveolus and near body tissues with blood. And let us see how this exchange is occurring. So here the basic thing we'll be considering, that is partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide. What is this partial pressure is? Now this partial pressure means pressure contributed by individual gas in a mixture of gases. So here this is alveolar cavity, and here this one arrow mark I have given for inspired air and this one for expired air. Now you see at the alveolar surface PO2 is 104 mm of Hg mercury, PCO2 is 40 mm of Hg, and here you see PO2 is greater than PCO2. So what is happening when partial pressure of oxygen is greater than partial pressure of CO2 at alveolar surface? This O2 is taken into the blood. Now what is happening to this O2? Now here you see, before going to this O2, let me tell you, in the heart there are 4 chambers: right side right auricle and right ventricle, left side left auricle and left ventricle. And here what is happening, whenever CO2 rich blood enters into the right auricle, it enters into the right ventricle through tricuspid valve, then it goes to pulmonary artery, and the CO2 rich blood from the pulmonary artery goes to lung surface, alveolar surface, where CO2 is given out and O2 is added. That means this O2 rich blood, it goes to left auricle through pulmonary vein. Now it is coming to left auricle, from left auricle to left ventricle through bicuspid or mitral valve. Then it goes to aorta, and from aorta different branches are arising. Here you see I have written systemic artery, which carries O2 rich blood to different body parts. And here near the tissue what is happening, you see PO2 is 95 mm of Hg and PCO2 is 40 mm of Hg, and here PO2 again is greater than PCO2. So partial pressure of oxygen is greater than partial pressure of carbon dioxide. So this from O2 rich blood, O2 I mean oxyhemoglobin, which is formed near the alveolar surface, it breaks down here and gives oxygen to the tissue, and in the tissue cellular respiration is occurring and carbon dioxide is released, and this carbon dioxide is added to the hemoglobin of RBC and it is forming carbaminohemoglobin. And here whenever the exchange is occurring and CO2 is released, that time PO2 you see 40 mm of Hg and PCO2 is 45 mm of Hg, and here PCO2 is greater than PO2. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is greater than partial pressure of oxygen. So CO2 is released to the capillary, and this in the form of carbaminohemoglobin that is carried through systemic vein, and again it is going to RA and RV, and then through pulmonary artery, and then near the alveolus CO2 is released because PCO2 is less than PO2 here, and this CO2 is going outside. Now this is all about the exchange of gases at the alveolar surface and near the body tissue with blood. Thank you very much.